But all I wanted to ask you was, like, what is your hope? Why do you have so much hope when you don't make very much money?
Yeah.
Where does your hope come from?
My hope, I'm serving with God if I go Canada or any country, and I first serve with the church and also the pastor. And
But right now, like, how much do you make?
here,
Yeah,
only 10,000.
10,000
10,000 is my salary
per month.
per month.
And then you stand here on this street corner
Yeah, I stand here 12 hours
every day,
every day.
7 days a week.
Yeah.
And then you make people go into this restaurant?
Yeah.
This one here. Are you good at your job?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
are.
Thanks God, but not big salary, but I trust to the God.
And what's your dream?
My dream, my son better settle in the life, and big my dream. I am service with the pastors and service servant, God servant. This is my last age dream.
Yeah.
My dream, I service with pastors and also go to the camps and church activities. This is my finally last. My age, around 50 plus. Then I think before die, I am clear my life. I'm standing to the Jesus Christ if I go to the after die. This is my hope.
And you want to serve here in Thailand?
No, no here, no chance here. Why? Churches is only for prayer and people coming. This is not good word. Taking some food and go to the home. But I don't like this service. Go to the church and take money and take food. No, I'm going truly and prayer and service with church, but no chance here. No.
So where do you want to go?
I think Canada. If God provide any country, no problem. This is my hope.
Where were you born?
Sorry,
What country were you born in?
I am
Yeah.
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Pakistan, my father, mom, and Pakistani.
And so Pakistani, it's hard being a Christian in Pakistan?
Yeah, very difficult position in Pakistan for the Christian. No have job, no good education, no hospitalities, and especially Christian churches. Very big problems there for the Christian and also the other regions. But especially Christian is not happy in Pakistan.
So when did you leave Pakistan?
5 months.
Oh, 5 months ago you left Pakistan.
Last year, June, I exit to the Pakistan here. June this year.
Have you lived in any other countries?
Only Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah, last week. My family in Dubai. I'm before working in Dubai, and there is not good condition for me. I am 50 plus in Dubai. Then I came Bangkok. Here, small work like this work, not big job, but thanks God, and God provide me this job. In Dubai, little difficult, 50 plus. I am not rich man, normal. If I rich man, then I no problem any country in Pakistan also.
That's right. Yeah.
There I have big business. If you have money, then no problem. Any country.
Any country. Yeah.
The normal middle class person is not good condition. No good job, no good money, children education, and also the.
So where will you be in 1 year?
Sorry.
In 1 year from now, from today, where will you be, do you think?
Next 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah. I pray for my Jesus Christ. Okay, should be next year I migrate to the Canada, yeah, any country, America, Canada, New Zealand, Holland, any. But I know Jesus arrangement for me, not myself. I don't know I am where going. In younger age, I am all depend to the Jesus Christ. Then step by step, I am going Muscat and Dubai and also the Bangkok. God provide me in this opportunity.
How does he do that? How does God make you move from Pakistan to Bangkok? Did you feel it inside, or opportunity came up?
Actually, Pakistan, I don't know what I said. This is not good for Christian. This reason I came here. Good opportunities here, but I liked in my country. You know, my parents there, my brother, sister. But if I there no have job, who is give me money? All people there have problems. No salaries, no very expensive country. No, only 25,000 Pakistani rupees salary.
That's not very much.
No.
Huh?
You know, one cooking oil 1 liter, 700 rupees 1 liter. You believe? And also the eating rice and vegetables very high price. This is not good.
But what makes you think that God gets you to go from one place to another?
Yeah.
How does he do that? How does God tell you to go to Bangkok?
I am praying for in my prayer time. I told God, what for me better? God planning for me, I came here. My mind is, I don't know where I'm going, Bangkok, yeah, any country. But God provided, no, you go to the Bangkok. He arranged me and one person, God bless him. He arranged for me visa and also the tickets and also the accommodation. I came in.
And you started working as soon as you got here.
I'm working this is first job 2 months ago. This 3 months very difficult, but now is better.
And you have a good place to live here? Nice apartment?
It's okay.
It's
With
okay.
worker.
Could be better.
Yeah. You know, with workers is some people know not cleaning properly, but I like to keep every time my room is clean, washroom clean. But with workers very difficult. But it's okay.
So no swimming pool,
No.
no exercise gym,
No. Only
no hot tub.
Never. Only 12 hours here standing. 2 to 2 a.m. my duty. Then go to take a bath and sleep and then come again morning, take a rest. No swimming, no any. This is small job. Not to the other opportunities.
But you have hope that
My hope
in the future?
Yeah, my hope God provide me good job, good country. I am very small man. No big hopes. But my hope, if I am comfortably with Jesus Christ, my life, thanks God. He gave me a good food, good job. If I don't have my own house, rented house. God give me a one small house, and I'm very happy. No big dreams. My dream, I am exit to the after die when I front Jesus Christ. But my hope, last hope. In my Bible, in my language, I writing there. Without you, I am never. I'm This is one verse I like to the one verse. Job 5:8. My all cases with God, He provide me. This Job 5:8. If you read, then read properly. This is very clearly your all things I'm providing you. Your all cases in my hand. I submit my all cases with God. All cases. No need anything. God provide step by step. God provide. One step He provide me. Good food. Thanks God I am eating then sleeping. Thanks God I am wearing clothes. Normal but good. Always I thanks for God. Thanks Jesus, you give me this job. Thanks Jesus, I am fit. Thanks Jesus, I am not sick. No blood pressure, no sugar. Thanks God. This is my God relation. He provide me all. Some people told me this is your small job. You live in Pakistan. Why you live? Why they have big problem? I came here. I told I give my life God. You. I am follow you. You. I am going with you, but no big hopes. First hope, one good country. There I work and also the God servant and small house finish. After I exit, this is my again request. Jesus, not leave me. Bas. I am not leave you.
Do you miss your wife?
Yeah, should be.
A lot,
With
yeah.
my wife and my son. I have one son. He is 21 now.
What does he do?
He is doing their job. Small job. It's okay. Not
you-
opportunity have a yani ki education very expensive. This reason he is 11th standard, then go to the Dubai with me and there have small work. Thanks God. Every parents like children growing good eating, good wearing, good education. But some countries is not providing. In Pakistan, no provide education and anything. Only your own. This is.
And your wife, you think your wife's going to make it here or you're going to meet in another country?
First, I am go other country, then I arrangement. Otherwise, not possible 3%.
So is your wife lonely without you?
Yeah,
She's sad
yeah,
sometimes?
Yeah, if God provides some money, then I go some days.
Oh, you fly to Dubai?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much does it cost to fly to Dubai?
I think visa and also the ticket, return ticket. Maybe here. Value to the ticket, I don't know, but I think Pakistani money 2 lakh something, 2 lakh yani ki 30,000 at least I think.
30,000.
But
Oh,
I think
that's-
Dubai, Bangkok, return ticket and expenses and visa also like this.
I'm glad I met you.
Thank you so much. Pray for me. I am all the time with connect to the Jesus. Pray for me. You know, this world is very dangerous. You know, people is you catching you and some people offer you some bad. You know,
Yeah.
but I don't like. I don't like any cigarette and beer, whiskey. Some people, no problem. But after you You understand?
Yeah. Then Jesus drank wine.
Wine, wine is, I think, different. Little bit.
It's just grapes, right?
Yeah, great.
It's just fruit.
But here people drunk and then fall down. This is not good. If you full drunk and then fall down, your wine is the different, like a grapes juice
Good for your heart.
stomach. Yeah, heart.
Good for your stomach.
Little bit,
Little bit.
not a big glass. If you eat one kg grapes, after you feel like this. I eat grapes 1.5 kg. After I feel, oh my. If you
That's a-
big glass drink wine, then you feel like Jesus. Jesus, personality is the.
Yeah.
I'm not challenging to this. This verse, it is. But it's okay. Little bit you wine, but I have no drink.
Right.
My father, same like this, no? Cross and name, Jesus name, I think.
Yeah.
My father died already 40 years ago.
40 years ago.
I am small, my father died. Then I not going to the school. My elder brother told me, why you not going school? No, I am go to the work. This reason I am not good educated. But God teach me like this small. I have experience stitching, stitching, tailoring,
Taylor.
little, and also the cooking. This is my experience.
Maybe you should open a restaurant one day.
Yeah,
Pakistani food restaurant.
yeah,
Yeah.
Pakistani. I'm working in Dubai, Pakistani cuisine restaurant.
Yeah.
Good work.
There's not very many Pakistani restaurants in Canada, so you would corner the market.
Yeah, there have many Pakistani. My friend told me there have Pakistani restaurant very famous.
Yeah. There you go.
My hope I am going there, and God give me one job. Then I have too much loan to me. I give a return. My visas, my wife visa, my son visa. Very big loan in my burden in my head.
Yeah.
First I give return this one, then I am very free. Thank you so much.